We're going to fix this. I got some parts already off. Lost the part just now. It's on the floor somewhere. And we got replacement parts on the table. A close-up look and hoping the light can help you out. And you can see the damage that has occurred. We're looking at the front end. We're looking at the actual shock absorber, removing the front suspension and changing out, you got it, a shock tower. The bottom piece broke. I have here is a tie rod we're going to replace. No, we're not doing zoom in, zoom out, because the camera does a mighty fine job on its own. And you can see the parts all broken. I'm going to have to spread this like so, put one of these on there. I got this Ulanzi pull. I don't love it. And I got the bulkhead. I hate it. So I am going to take this and hold it like that. Don't let it spring. And I'm going to simply unscrew. Oh man, I should have taken this one and unscrewed it at the same time. Maybe I can do it like so. I need to have a third hand. I don't. So let me give it a shot here. Hold this one here like so for you. See if I can spin this off. There we go. I gotta simply spin this one on. Let's try not to lose this part because that's the part I just lost. It don't fit. I'm out of luck. Would these little ones fit that? Let's see. Remember, like I said, be careful. So the little one's going on. May not be the right one. Maybe cross-threading it, I'm not sure. It's plastic and I'm not going to worry. If I'm having difficulty, I'm going to take the tool and I'm going to grab a needle nose and make it work for me. My piston does go up and down. It's got a little bend to it. I can try to grab it like so and just hope for the best. Open up nice and wide. Pull the end cap off, slide the spring on. Spring it back as far as you can go. We're good to go. My shock is repaired. Let's put this to the side because we need to take this out and place it in there. Rather than me trying to, break it off. This is no good. Cutting it off. Spread it apart. There I go. Oh, I love these things if they snap in or if they fly out. At least I gave it a shot. I gotta take my front suspension things off. Might as well just take them off right now. I got a screw on this one and another small one on here. Pull that to the side. Well, look at this. I got to replace that and take this off. So let me go do that now. I got to go look for this. This is what lost. Put that to the side. Swing this to the side and take this one off. This is going to be fun. Time to retire this. You shouldn't slide out like so. Pull the screw. Slide off, place the screw back in, put to the side. I can work on this. Let me put this to the side. Let me take this and take this tie rod off. I need to remove this screw here. Man, that's just like separated from the whole thing. I broke two things, not just one. I broke the thing that holds this, that goes on here. Not good. Take a measurement of this part. They're identical in every way. Goodbye. This piece right here is gone. History. It's right over here on this one. And yeah, that's the differential. That's like another what? $20 I gotta go find the housing. So let's take this off, place the screw to where the other one's at. See if we could slide this out. And I need better lighting. I'm being blinded. Take off the other side of the arm. Take off the screw that's going to the differential. Love how my hand is causing defocus. Put to the side. I need to take this one out as well. Love it. You can't see this in focus, but you see that in focus. Battery's already draining. I'm halfway through. Cheating on how to replace stickers, package labels, and the part. There is a front and there is a back. I guess this is the front. And the reason I say that is because that's what was left. Slip it in. I need to take this all off. I need to get to the bottom two screws that are holding it into place. Or is it just something else that's stopping me? My diff gear's right here. This will slide in correctly. I can lock it back down and have a temporary run. It may not be secured. Need a new tool. If you follow along on my repair the unconventional way, you'll see I could get things done a little differently. I got one shock tower on. It's holding. I'm not sure if this is going to grab on anything, but let's see. No. So in the meantime, it will hold. It'll stay on there. Nothing wrong. It may not be as strong. We could put this back on. The screw. The little bell. But before I do that and drop and lost, here we are. I want to put the tie rod back on and put it onto one of the holes. I'm all over the place. Definitely indeed. I'm not comfortable. Get it on there the best I can. I think it was in the upper hole. And there we are. Now I could put this on in the outer hole. Oh yeah, slipping in. I forget which hole went in and how it's going to go. It's definitely not this screw or that screw, and I put a screw in incorrectly. I'm not going to worry which screw went in where. They're all just about the same. But it's on there. I thought it was wrong. If I really want to look at the one that went on, yeah, good luck. I'm not sure which hole it went on. The outer top one where I'm going in. Exactly where I'm at. One more thing to do. Put the other shock on. I think those are the two. I'm not sure anymore. Slide this on, hit it to the top, be on the outer hole. The funny thing is a 2.0, just about everything I did here. This is my hardest part right now, matching this up, locking it down. I'm all done just about, just need to put my suspension back on. Remember, the weakness is that one screw and my A that I got. Everything's back up. She's on. She's good. Slip and slide this around like so and lock it back into place like it was never off. Trick to this is not to make this super tight, so this way this could move, slip and slide. Put on my list, you got it, a differential cover. I love it when the antenna just doesn't stay put. We'll slide it back in, stand up, take a look, see where it goes, slide it in. Put your battery back in, get ready for a run of a time, see how it looks like outside, and go have some fun. Control your speed. We're going to get a run, enjoy it, see if anything else has gone with her. I think by the looks of it, I got something not right. And we'll check it out and see if something has went off stray. Not sure what it is. We take a look at it. Definitely the wheels are something wrong from that hit. And I have to go figure out what broke on it, what spread apart, what separated. But she will go a straight line. And there she goes. I don't like the way the tires are. With the bars in the back, not these. This one's just a little bit bent, but it's all fixed. This bar here, I'm going to have to take it, spin it in. So when this wheel's straight, this wheel will be straight. And how to do that is turn the unit on. When it centers, then I'm going to start to adjust. I'm going to spin it down, and that should bring it in. Spin this up, and that should bring it in. And I'm not sure how that happened. I remember these things being straight. The only one that I look at is the Italian that looks like that. Outside, they look way off than this. Battery dies just like that. This one's even dead as well. Yeah, I'm not sure how that got off like that. So this is nice and cool. Charge it up. The new set of batteries. On that note, I'm Fish. Have a great day.